What a good day to play some PS2. Love a startup. I'll be doing a setup of a PS2. Just click English. Where's that screen? There's no machine for console. Please wait while we determine when. Do not shut off a console at this time. I'll wait. What? Basically corrupted by Wisty. I just bought this. Disclaimer, this is fake. What? Just bought it, man. I'll turn it off and turn it back on. Hope startup sound good. I clicked English. Shut up. I still have my recovery disc, but it might be pirated. Disclaimer: do not pirate. Do not pirate video games. It's a serious crime. Turns back on. Beep. Yay. Okay, I'll click X when I found my language. Boop. Okay. Shut up. Please shut up. I'll turn it off and turn it back on. Beep, beep. That scared me. Disclaimer, this is fake. I'll turn it off and turn it back on. Beep, beep. Yay. Sorry, be loud. Huh? Shut up! Man. These PS2s, I got this very well. Okay, I'll just turn it off and turn it back on. Disclaimer, I do not know any Sony certified repairers, so you might need to use Google. Unable to find first PS2 boot data. Wait, I just bought this. I don't have any memory on it. But I have my old memory card, so I'll insert it. Oh, crap. Audience, please do not talk. Oh, blah, blah. Please do not talk about that, audience. Okay, I have a recovery disc. I just unplugged it from charging. It's on 100. Actually, this is I got the recovery disc. I'll put the recovery disc in. Beep. Didn't like that sound. PS2 recovery disc. Please do not fail. So I just got this PS2 today. Disclaimer, I didn't get a PS2. I roll for luck. Please, Mom. Please don't fail. Oh. I've watched a video of us, so this may, because it might just be loud. Warning, turn down your volume now. You had your warning. Crap! River verification failed. It has to be invalid. What? It's now safe to turn up your volume. Okay, I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. Beep beep. Why is it the normal PS2 first boot up coming on? Let me try to turn it off. Beep. Turn it back on. Beep. Okay. Oh wait. What? You've been warned many times to shut off your PlayStation 2, and you even somehow managed to screw up the recovery process. Wait, what? Screw this recovery disk. Has to be pirated. Goodbye, recovery disk. I don't know what to do. Viewers, what should I do? Warning, this part will be loud. But stay around a bit, will be very loud. Say goodbye to eardrums. Okay. Now my PS2's unusable now and it's garbage. Goodbye.